Are you amazed by otters' cuteness? Wait till you meet their giant wacky relatives. Meet the giant otter, the 6-foot-long water weirdo of the Amazon. That's right, these fellas are as long as a human. Imagine an otter overtaking you in a swimming race. Speedy little flippers, eh? And get this, when they get together, they sound like a rock band warming up. Screeches, whistles and growls all rolled into one. Who needs Spotify when you have giant otters? Ever seen a fish fillet done in seconds? Giant otters are the sushi chefs of the wild. One swipe and dinner's served. But here's the kicker, they've got a mustache that would make Salvador Dali jealous. Perfect for those sophisticated otter selfies. Love this wacky otter trivia? Smash that like button and follow for more wild animal fun. Join the Otterly amazing adventure today.